to Oakland, come back to Tracy, and then from Tracy to Modesto. So good morning, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this.
It's 7:47. First stop this morning is here at the gas station to put fuel. And it looks like the fuel today is $6.39. And with that price, I don't think he'll be putting anything in the additional tank. Are you?
Not today.
Looks as though he's going to stop at $100. About 15.5 gallons.
I wonder what the value is of that truck. What's good on that truck?
It's 7:55. We just arrived at Odessa, Golden Gate, and Tracy. We are picking up 3 vehicles. We have the gate passes for 2, but we have to stop in security for the 3rd gate pass. We already checked locations. So let's see how long this takes.
Stay tuned.
I'm gonna go inside and get a Honda Pilot. Do you think the Pilot will fit here?
Yeah, go get it.
All right, I'll go get it. They picked up the cars yesterday. There's about 2.5 foot overhang. He's working on putting a flag. Maybe 2 inches there. 2 to 3 inches there. And he didn't go all the way forward. Right over the steel plate. That's above the steel plate, which is above the 3 axles.
It's the tire cover they put over here, so when it rains, you don't get water all over the tires.
And he did the
No, you can't even tell. Look at it from right here. Look at it from right here. Look, over here. Over here.
Oh yeah.
You can't tell. It's just a little, only about a 16.
And like I said, yes, the other day he did this one.
That's right. With the monkey wrench, you could do anything.
Monkey wrench and a
My toolbox, my Smittybilt compressor. Look, Smittybilt compressor.
yes.
You guys want to look at it?
Sure.
This thing will air up a big semi truck. Look at this. Can you see that? Smittybilt.
Yes, we can see it.
Okay. This right here, whoa. This right here will hook up to the battery, or the way I have this designed, actually, let me show you. Check this out. I built this myself. This is another little secret I'm giving away. So don't tell anybody. So right here I got my this is my hot wire. Right here. Negative. Turn the toggle switch on, my marine toggle switch that I bought in Amazon, and that will turn the compressor on. You can hook it up to your battery. So I got jumping cables for this too. These are my jumping cables right here, which I never use. I just my jumpers, which it hooks up to this right here too. I think these might be 50 foot or 25 feet. I'm not sure. That's another little secret I'm giving away. Don't tell nobody.
And again, this is the kill switch or toggle switch that he bought on Amazon. He has one also for the winch, but good to have. That way you don't kill the battery of your truck. And it's super simple. Now it's on green. I just turn it on red and it's off. Very, very simple to use. It's 9:35 and we're going through the Altamont on our way to Oakland. It's 10:23. We just arrived at Hertz in Oakland. They're pretty full inside there. So we're gonna, I believe he's gonna go ahead and we're gonna unload here on the street because there's quite a few cars. It may be difficult for him to get out. And again, this is at the Oakland Airport. It's 10:44. All 3 vehicles are delivered. And it looks like he's struggling.
Whoa! Get the heck out of the way! You almost got hit.